Right guys, welcome back to Project Polo Part 2. Now today we're going to just basically be painting the inside of the bonnet and the outside of the wings, or the exterior. So as you can see, I've got everything laid out here. Now it's all pretty much prepped. The only thing I've got to do is go over a red scotch just to get off the sort of like general overspray and dust that's obviously laid on it over time. Yeah, and then we're going to be laying down the same blue that we've been laying down in last episode, and fingers crossed we should come out just like last episode. Probably a couple little dirt nibs, no runs. Let's get into it. So now the panels are scotched, what we're going to be doing next is basically covering the bare metal of all of the panels where obviously we've rubbed through in prep. Now you want to be covering that with some sort of aerosol or something, because I mean realistically you want to blast a bit of wet on wet over it, but at the minute I haven't got any, and you can't paint straight over bare metal, it just won't stick. So we're going to degrease, tack off, get the bug mask on, put some aerosol on, and then we'll think about getting some colour down. Let's go. Right guys, so panels are degreased, they're all good to go. I've literally got to mask up these two little bungs, and then we're going to blast on some primer, and then yeah, we're going to blast on some colour. So let's get into it. Right guys, well, it's that part of the video again. If you're this far in, please like and subscribe. Keeps the channel going. Now, honestly, the panels didn't turn out too bad. There's a bit of dirt here or there in the wings themselves. I think that the inside of the bonnet actually turned out the best, considering that you're probably never going to see it unless you put the bonnet, and even at that point, you're looking at the engine and stuff. You're not exactly like, "Ooh, look, bonnet." So, I mean, the job's done. Every sort of bit of dirt I can obviously flat and polish, and if push comes to shove, I'll just 400 the wings again and go for gold again and actually put some water down on the floor. I think there was a lot of dust movement with obviously me dragging the trestles around. But yeah, all in all, successful mission. Yeah, tune in next time where we're going to be covering doors and the other side of the bonnet now. Thanks.